Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English Grammar Classroom for Standard 7. We are studying lesson number 8, the noun. I have explained you all types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. I have also explained you the countable noun and uncountable noun. Here on page number 37 in your textbook, a passage is given. Open your book, page number 37. In this, a passage is given. You have to read this passage and you have to search the different types of noun from this passage, which is given on page number 38 in exercise number 1. In page number 38, exercise number 1, it is asked, pick out the nouns and classify them into appropriate kinds. So, I shall repeat. I shall repeat the different types of noun used in this passage. In this passage, it is asked, write down the proper noun first. In this passage, only 2 proper nouns are used. You can see on your screen. On number 18, the proper noun is given Iney spider. Iney. Iney spider is the proper noun used in this passage. The second proper noun is Ricky spider. Ricy. Ricky spider is the proper noun came in this passage. Next, it is asking common noun. Common noun used in this passage are thread, insects, body, paste, spinnerest, hops, spider, abdomen, ply, cobweb, machine, feet, teeth, parlor, combs. All these are common noun came in this passage. You have to write all the common nouns in your grammar textbook. Next, it is asking, write down the abstract noun came in this passage. The abstract noun came in this passage are slenderness. The things which we cannot touch or see, we only feel. That is abstract noun. Slenderness is the abstract noun. Processes is the abstract noun came in this passage. And moment. Moment is also an abstract noun came in this passage. Okay, next is collective noun. Collective noun is the collection of the things. But there is no collective noun came in this passage. The next is material noun. Material noun, the first material noun came in this passage is silk. Silk is the material noun. And second material noun is wool. Wool is also a material. Silk and wool are the material from which things are made. Clothes are made. So these are material noun came in this passage. The next exercise number 2 is form abstract noun of the following. Some words are given here. We have to make abstract noun from these words. The number 1 is marvel. From marvel, the abstract noun is marvelous. We say how marvelous it is. Emerge, emergence. Expel, expulsion. Direct, direction. Unite, unity. Firm, firmness. Close, closer. Fascinating, fascination. Various, variety. Utilize, utilization. All these are abstract noun formed from the given words. So, this is your second exercise on page number 38, lesson number 8, the noun. We have solved the 2 exercises given in this lesson. In the next lecture, we shall study a new chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.